Do you know an anti-drone rifle is an effective means of fighting drones because it allows you to control them remotely without doing any kind of physical damage, useful in areas where other weapons cannot be used due to security risks. An anti-drone gun, also known as portable electromagnetic weapon, is a device specifically designed to remote unwanted drones from the air. It can be used for a variety of applications including security, privacy and protection against drones that are dangerous of flying in the air uninvited. The weapon works through electronic radiation that can damage the drone's electronics and interfere with the connection between the drone and the controller. The interference can result in the loss of control over the drone, causing it to fall out of the sky. Though there are several types of anti-drone rifles available on the market, ranging from handheld device to sophisticated systems that can be integrated into security systems. Some guns are so small that they can be easily carried, while others are more powerful and larger devices that must be mounted on a tripod. A key advantage of using an anti-drone gun is that it allows the operator to disable drones remotely without risking hitting other aircrafts or people. This is especially important in crowded urban areas where drones are often used for commercial purposes, such as taking photos and videos. Another advantage of using an anti-drone gun is that it is an effective means of protecting people's privacy. The use of an anti-drone rifle can prevent drones from getting close and taking unwanted recordings. However, the use of anti-drone guns also has some drawbacks. One of the most important is that the weapon can only be used on drones that are remotely piloted. Drones that fly autonomously cannot be disabled with an anti-drone rifle. Moreover, the use of an anti-drone gun can cause interference with other nearby electronic devices such as cell phones and radios. Another disadvantage of using anti-drone guns is that it can cause disruption to aviation and other aircrafts in the vicinity. If the weapon is used near an airport, it can disrupt air traffic and be dangerous to other aircraft in the sky as well. So if you like the video, do hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel Google Speaks and be a part of this family so that you can get all the latest updates related to the science and friction as well.